DragonGuard is an experienced electronic article surveillance supplier in the area of Huaihai Economic Development Zone of China. We are based in the National Security Industrial Park of Xuzhou. We have researched and manufactured different kinds of EAS anti-theft products for 19 years. Our security products and solutions include EAS, display security, ESL, RFID, and alarms. We provide our clients with high-end customized products and a wide range of solutions. Our products have been exported to hundreds of countries and regions around the world. We have a good reputation in the industry, and our products have received a lot of advantaged feedback from our clients. With our high-grade quality and competitive price, our clients have earned more clients and benefit. We have strict quality control system which can ensure our products maintain a good quality, and all the finished products will be tested before shipment. We have reached the ISO 9001 standard. Since we know the importance of scientific and technological innovation, so we invest around 10% of our annual turnover in R&D of new product per year. We believe our successful experiences and good quality can help you achieve the anti-theft goal. Welcome to contact DragonGuard and let us guard your goods.